Dear jury, I'm going to introduce my invention. The visible deep water salvage platform is a non-test salvage vehicle devised from the model salvage ship as a model. It responds to the quality problems and environmental factors of the salvage vehicle. The sonar system is added to the device so that it can be monitored and controlled on land, which greatly reduces the width and increases the fault tolerance rate. Moreover, using the flexible collar instead of the original width, it can overcome the difficulty of moving in some environments. We found the lifting device for the salvage object, and based on the modern lifting method, we used the electromagnet to replace the traditional iron rod. Fish without human assistance overcome the influence of the salvage target's environment and impose the fishing limitation of the salvage target in the turbid water and the fishing range. In terms of the extension salvage device, the traditional extension tab is changed to a projection tab. It can play at the salvage side with more efficiency. Third, taking into account the projection range and accuracy of the projector, we have set up a power device on the column motor, power storage, servo motor, ankle adjustment, electromagnet, magnetic attraction, and screwing slingshot which cover the electromagnet and salvage. It can adjust the azimuth in a wide range, but also quantify the projection area by changing the projection angle, which provides convenience for the salvage work. The invention we made has initially overcome some of the limitations of the salvage machine facing environmental factors and adopt different salvage devices for the salvage objects. In the future, we will continue to improve and enhance the efficiencies of the machine, hoping to overcome more limitations and expand its practicality.